Good morning, children. Today we will study the topic polynomial. In this, we will study the two main things. One is about polynomial, its introduction, just in short, and the second is, which is very important, that is zero of a polynomial. What do you mean by zero of a polynomial? Now, let's revise few things. You must have studied in your 7th and 8th standard about algebraic expression and polynomial in 9th class. Now, what is polynomial? Once more, for a real variable x, an expression of the type px is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus so on an xn with real coefficients a0, a1, a2 and such as an till an, where an is not equal to 0 and n is a positive integer, is called a polynomial of degree 1. So here the real coefficient means these all numbers are real and they are also called as coefficients of the terms, coefficients in the terms. Now second, the types of polynomial. Polynomial are named based on the two criterions. One is the number of terms the polynomial has, and the second is the highest exponent of the variable, which is also called the degree. The one is according to the term, second is according to the degree of the polynomial. So here we are having a flow chart where we are having number of terms. According to number of terms are monomial, binomial, trinomial, and according to degree, linear, quadratic and cubic. Now what is monomial? Monomial, a polynomial consisting of one term is called as monomial. Example, 2x and 10, you can see only one term is there. Binomial, a polynomial consisting of two terms only is called a binomial. For example, 2x plus 1. Here we are having two terms added by a plus sign. Then trinomial, a polynomial having three terms. 2x square plus 5x minus 1. So 2x square, 5x and 1, these are the three terms and the sign of plus and minus by which they are distributed into three terms. Then constant polynomial, it is very important. A polynomial of type A, where A is any real number, is called a constant polynomial. Means where we are having a real number is called as a constant polynomial and its degree is 0. Now examples are minus 5, 4, minus 2 by 7. Then zero polynomial, this is very important. Single number 0 means in place of a real number you are having 0. It is called as the zero polynomial. When number 0 is there, it is called as zero polynomial and its degree is not defined. Now linear polynomial, a polynomial of type ax plus b is called a linear polynomial. And हमने अभी पहले ही पढ़ा है, what is the degree of a linear polynomial? It is 1. These are the examples, 2x minus 5, linear polynomial. Then graphical representation of a linear polynomial. Linear polynomial जब भी हम graphically represent करते हैं, we always get a straight line. Now here we are having example, minus 2x plus 4, and when we are representing it graphically, so we are getting a straight line and you can see 2, 0 and 0, 4. These are the points on x-axis and y-axis. Then quadratic polynomial. In general form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. Means in quadratic polynomial we have degree 2. So these are the example, x square minus 5x plus 4. Now how can we represent a quadratic polynomial? When we represent a quadratic polynomial, we will get a U shape. This is how we can represent a quadratic polynomial. When this term is positive, then it is just like this, and when the term is, first term. A is less than 0 means first term is negative, coefficient of first term is negative, then we are getting inverted u. Now come to the most important point. What do you mean by 0 of a polynomial? The value of the variable x is equal to a is called as 0 of a polynomial if pa is equal to 0. Again I am repeating, the value of variable x is equal to a is called the 0 of a polynomial px if pa is equal to 0. It means if in place of x in this polynomial I will put a, the value of x, and if pa becomes 0, then this value of a is called as 0 of the polynomial. And what does it mean graphically, the 0 of a polynomial? The 0 of a polynomial are the x coordinate, which is also called as abscissa, of the points where the curve y is equal to fx crosses the x-axis. So 0 of a polynomial graphically means the points on the x-axis. Now here we are having one example. Px is equal to x plus 1. This is my given polynomial. We have plotted graphically, and we can see points over here minus 1 and 1. One is on x-axis, one is on y-axis. And what is 0 of a polynomial? The points on the x-axis are called the 0 of a polynomial. Means minus 1 is the 0 of this given polynomial, not 1. The point on x-axis only. See, here x is equal to minus 1 is the 0 of the polynomial, as the curve crosses x-axis at minus 1 and 0. And p minus 1 is equal to 0. Means if we will put minus 1 over here in this given polynomial, the polynomial will become 0. The p minus 1 is equal to 0. This is numerically we have seen, and graphically the point on the x-axis. Let's see one more example. This is a quadratic. X square minus 3x plus 2. We have plotted it, and what are the zeros? 1 and 2. The quadratic polynomial is of degree 2. So we are having how many zeros? 2 zeros. So it is very important to note, as we are having the degree of the polynomial, the same is the number of zeros. Linear polynomial 1 degree 1 0. Quadratic polynomial 2 degree we will have 2 zeros. Cubic polynomial 3 degree we will have 3 zeros. So here in quadratic we can see 2 zeros. See some more example. These are the 2 zeros shown. The x coordinate of a dash. Can you see these 4 figures? Here a and a dash. So we will just count the number of zeros. In first figure we are having 2 zeros, a and a dash, which are on x-axis. Second figure 2 zeros, a and a dash. And the third figure, see it clearly, we are having 3 zeros over here. Minus 2 0, then 0 0, and then 2 zeros. So this polynomial, after solving, showing 3 values on x-axis, therefore it is having how many zeros? 3 zeros. See the next figure. Here also we are having how many zeros? 1, 2 and 3 zeros. The point on y-axis is not the 0. The point on x-axis is the 0. So we will have some more examples of zeros of the polynomial later. Let's see.